Good morning and greetings. Tons of flies here. Greetings from Yanas Mountain. Absolutely love this place. Unlike the other places that I've been, unlike the other trails that I've been, this one is the best one so far. It's super wild and there are no trails here as such. It's a very small path that goes for about 10 kilometers. And there are hardly any people here, which is great because it's very, very natural. I love the way this place is. There's a few little villages along the way. Signs of goat droppings, but no sign of the actual culprits themselves. Yeah, the valleys here are really amazing. Incredible views and valleys. I think the highest elevation, the highest elevation was around 800 meters. Getting here itself is a bloody task. Probably one of the reasons why there are no people around. I'm not sure how the car is doing after bringing it in what is definitely an off-road vehicle road. So I wouldn't recommend normal vehicles to come on this path. Mine somehow made it, which is great. I'm not complaining. Just got to see how the little red devil makes his way back is the question. Noticed a few people, a few groups in their swanky 4x4s. Actually camped in some pretty epic spots, man. Honestly, there were really some really epic spots. Something to keep in mind for the future. But no, this Yanas Mountain is freaking amazing. Just look at the whole landscape. It all looks like it was, I don't know, underwater millions of years ago. Whatever it was, it's pretty barren now. Also, if you're tuning in right now, do consider subscribing, because I noticed a lot of you who watch the video or my videos aren't subscribers. So guys, if you like it, if you like this stuff and you'd like to join me in all my upcoming adventures or upcoming trails or whatever you call them, consider subscribing. Yeah, doesn't cost you anything, and that way at least you will get notified every time a new video comes up. So share the love, people. If you like the videos, definitely like it. If you hate the videos, definitely thumbs down, whatever catches your drift. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of Yanas Mountain. Definitely recommend this. At the base of this place, there was a settlement that was cordoned off and looked like a pretty old settlement. And there's these stone walls throughout, you know. I don't know if they have some historical significance. Look at this. Whether it's that old or some people have done it fairly recently. No clue. Whatever it is, this place is a beauty. And obviously and you can see, like, that's the most you're gonna get as far as the trail is concerned. And the good thing is, I'll try and find it for you. You gotta really keep an eye out for, you know, there are these little yellow and red spots that help identify which way you need to keep going. So focus, people, focus. There you go, that's another one. Look, yellow marker. Yeah, that's good. That way I don't need to always rely on my GPS. Oh yeah? Are you guys going or coming?
We went like about maybe like 200 meters down there and then
okay.
decided to go back.
Because this keeps going, I believe, right? It's a 10-kilometer trail.
Well, we got our mates up the hill there.
We have another team.
Yeah, there's a better view when you go there.
Okay.
And you can see a village.
Yeah.
That's going to be another 4 to 5 kilometers walk.
Wow. Alone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a track. Just follow those yellow marks.
The yellow spots, yeah.
Yeah. But then after a while the tracks stop. There is no more tracks. You need to
Follow your instinct.
That's the only scary part.
Will do. hope you guys like my my previous video, Al Rabi Trail. If you haven't already, definitely check that video out. It's pretty cool. I had some help, obviously. Shout out to James if you're watching this. Today was a really cool day. Super trail. I think I'll definitely come back and try and complete the loop next time. I think because I started it a little bit late, had to come back before I got heat stroke. But no, awesome day. I'm going to make my way back. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers who've supported the channel so far, and look forward to taking you guys on to more adventures. Hopefully, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and until next time, yeah, signing out. Peace.